What should you look for when choosing a hair transplant surgeon?
It's a hard thing, right? Should you look for the person who has the best videos? Should you look for the person with the blue check and the most likes? Sometimes that's good, and sometimes that means they're an expert at social media. For us, it all comes down to trust. We at the Spiegel Center are happy to work with Nova Medical because we trust in their system and we trust in our experience, and we've had 30 years of patients trusting us as doctors with our many board certified and double board certified resources to get people the best outcomes.